So a few days ago, I met up with one of the biggest airdrop influencer in Nigeria, and his name is Wilson. Now he went on to show me some of the airdrops he's actually farming, which is going to make a lot of money in this year. And here are some of the airdrops he mentioned that he's doing right now.
We write list of airdrops we can do daily, mostly on $0 airdrops.
Now I'm not going to talk about all of the airdrops he mentioned in this video because that would make it very long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to split this video, and then I would actually upload another one which is going to contain some of the other airdrops he talked about. So make sure to check out my recent airdrop videos if you want to find out the steps to do all of them. So let's get started. But before I do that, make sure to like this video right now and subscribe to this channel, and let's get started. So the first airdrop on my list is sticker airdrop. Now I'll also leave the link in the description. Do well to use all of these links in the description, please. Now, all of the airdrops I'm going to talk about in this video, you can actually do them with your mobile phone or your PC. For me, I will be using my PC to do it. But just in case you're using your mobile device to do this, I would encourage you to use Kiwi browser or Mrs. browser. Each of these browsers actually work the same way your Chrome works on your PC. So that is why it is very good to actually use it. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is to connect my wallet. I'll select MetaMask. Click on connect. Click on approve, then click on confirm. All right, so next I'm going to connect my X account. I'll click on connect, click on authorize. So that's successful. All right, so I just click on it and you can see it has started mining now. So far I've earned about 24,000 points. So this is just like layer edge airdrop where it's running also. So this is the light node mining. So I'm going to just leave that. So next is, let's do this tax over here. I'm going to click on verify. So I've already followed them on Twitter. So let's do that of Discord. I'll click on go. Then I'll click on accept invite. Okay, so next I'll click on verify and select verify right here. Click on continue. Click on continue again, and I just have to do this captcha. Alright, so I've verified. So I'll come back to it and click on bind. And click on authorize. Okay, so that was successful. All right, so next I can do this task right there, which is to share their tweet. So just click on post, and I'll click on verify, and that's done. So next, let's do the Telegram own. I'm gonna click on go, click on open. So I'll just click on general and then click on join. All right, so once I join, I'll just come back here and click on bind, click on accept. Okay, so that's done. All right, so next I need to do this. So I'll click on go, click on open Telegram, and I'll click on join. I'll go back to it and I'll click on bind. So if it's failing, I'm just going to leave it. I'm not stressed about it. I'll go ahead and do the next one right here. I'll click on go. Okay, so it seems like this first one did not go through. And what you're asked to do is to like the tweet. So just going to like the tweet, come back and verify. This done. All right, so next is comment on the tweet. So I'll click on go, come back and verify. That's done. Next I'll click on retweet. I'll click on go. Okay, then I'll come back and verify. That's done. So right here you can see I have 25,680 points. So I just have to let this to keep running. And if I want to get more points, you can also copy your referral link and share to other persons to join this airdrop. That way you're going to get more tokens by referring people. So this is all of it about stickers airdrop. The next airdrop on my list is Naoris protocol. Now this platform raised $11.5 million. So here's how to get position for the airdrop. First is to search for Naoris protocol wallet on Google Chrome. If you're using your phone, then what you're going to search for is you're going to search for the same thing but on Q browser or Mrs. browser to search for it. Okay, so next I'm going to click on this right here and click on add to Chrome. Click on add extension, so it's going to automatically open up. So next you're going to do is to create a new wallet. So click on I have accepted and click on submit. All right, so over here this is your seed phrase. Make sure you copy these seed phrase and keep them very safe. No one has to see these things right here. No one has to see it at all. Okay, so next I'm going to click on I wrote it down on paper. So you have to put in the number 12, 1st and 7th and 10th words. Just go ahead and copy it and then put it, then click on confirm. So next you're going to put in your password, and next you put in this referral. You're going to put in my referral code. My referral code is also going to be in the description, so do well to copy it and then use it. It's very compulsory. So I'll go ahead and click on create the wallet. Alright, so wallet is created. So next I'm just going to go back to my extension right here and let me pin it, so it's going to be at the top here. You can see it right here. Alright, so next step is to go to this website, naorisprotocol.network. I'm also going to leave the link in the description. So click on connect wallet, select Naoris Chrome extension, and I'm going to click on connect. So next is to click on start testnet. So it says thanks, you'll be redirected. So this is it right here. So next I need to install this. I'll click on install. Okay, so I'll click on add to Chrome, click on add extension. Okay, so it is done installing. All right, so next you need to log in with your X account. I'll click on login and I'll click on authorize. All right, so finally I need to follow them. So I'll click on follow, click on proceed, and I'll click on follow. Then I'll go back and click on claim point. All right, so it says user not following. Although I did actually, but I just have to do it again. All right, so it says all tasks completed. So I'm going to click on point to be added to dashboard and click on sign, and I'll put in my password. I'll click on sign. All right, so that has been completed. All right, so next thing I'm going to do is to go back to my extension tab, and then let me pin this Naoris protocol browser, and I'm going to open it up this time around. Okay, so you can see my wallet right here. So I can just click on testnet dashboard. Okay, so while this is open, you can see my earning will be increasing right here, plus 0.005. So it's just going to be adding up every second for leaving this tab open. So let me try to add to whitelist. I've not tried that before. Okay, so URL added to whitelist. I don't know what that is, but this is how you're going to earn more points by leaving this tab actually opened. Okay, so that's all of it about Naoris airdrop. You can try to leave this tab open as for some time to earn more points for yourself. So this is all of it about Naoris airdrop. You can also try to follow them on their socials and find out if their latest information as to what you can do. You can see right token is not live, official announcement. So just try as much as possible to follow them and see if there's more update about this. And if there's more update, I would also talk about it on my Telegram. And that's it about Naoris airdrop. So the next airdrop on my list is Magic Newton airdrop. So these guys raised $83 million and they have a $500 million valuation already. So to do the airdrop, I'm going to leave the link in the description. You don't need any referral link. I'll leave the link in the description. All you just have to do is put in your email address right here and then click on start now. Okay, so they're going to send the code to my email. So all I'm going to do is to enter the code. So right now I have logged in. Now the next thing I can do is I can just click on this row now and click on next row, click on throw dice and press bank. I don't know how this works. But it seems like I've claimed 12 point extra. Okay, so next I'm going to click on explore, and then next I would select, you can start up with these ones here. You have to do this quest if you want to get some points. This is going to give you somewhere around 250 points. So if you want to do it, just click on start and then look at the instructions there. It says download application, login with Google, then enter the same email right here, and you're going to get this 250 points. But let me start with the side quest. So first you can do referrals. Next one is to follow us on X. So to do that, this one is going to give you 100 points. I'm going to click on start quest, click on follow, and I'm going to click on follow right now. Then I'll go back and you can see it says completed. Okay, so next is Discord. Click on it, click on start quest. It is also going to give you 100 credits, so click on join. So it seems like it's even showing completed without you doing the whole stuff. Okay, so let's click on follow. Next one, click on start quest, click on follow. So it seems like the moment you click on the link, it's completed already. So next, follow us on Instagram, start quest, click on the link, completed, then connect guild. This is coming soon. So right now, you can see I've done all of these points right here. Okay, so I can go back to the home page. So that is it on Magic Newton airdrop. The next airdrop is Soso Value airdrop. Now this platform already did airdrop and it was a successful one, and they have actually announced that they are going to be doing their season 2 airdrop. So this is the step on how to get started with. First, you're going to go to the website for this airdrop, Soso Value. I'm going to leave the link in the description actually. So next thing you're going to do is to sign up with either email or Google or any of them. So I'm just going to do Google. Click on that. And right now I have signed up for it, and you can see I have 70,000 EXP already. Okay, so I just click on got it. Next, if I want to get more points, what I'm going to do is to share my referral link to people to come in. The more people come in, I'm going to get 25,000 points for each person. Next, I can also get points by doing some of these tasks right here. So I'm going to do watch daily news. I'm going to click on watch, and you just have to go to YouTube and watch it. So once you're done, this will take 1 minute to go through. Next, you can share on X. Okay, so once you do that, and then you can also quote their tweet. Each of these things are going to give you their respective point. All right, so let's connect our Twitter account right there. I'm going to click on connect and click on authorize. Okay, so you can see I have 120,000 points already. You can subscribe to their channel, their YouTube channel, and that's going to also give you its own point. So go back. All right, so it's going to take 1 minute actually for this to go through. All right, next you can follow them on Twitter. You just click on follow. I think this is one of their staff or something, I don't know. And I followed. They have to wait for 1 minute also. Then also this one, I follow them on X again. Click on follow, and I come back. This is going to take 1 minute too. Install mobile app and install Soso Value indices. You can install on your desktop too. Just click on install and go through the steps right here by clicking on install now. Okay, so this is also the same way you're going to do it on your phone too. And once you're done with that, you will claim this point. So let me click on verify. I'll click on I've gotten this point. For this I have to still wait. Okay, this I can verify now. For this one, I'll just go ahead and click on verify. So I'm not sure this one will go because it will know. It shows feed because I didn't do the tax actually. So post Soso Value news on X by mentioning Soso Value. Just click on it, and I can just write something. I don't know, in news or something, but let me just post this. Click on post, which I would actually delete it later on. So I just have to wait for this 35 seconds and verify it. Then I'll delete it. I don't have to keep it on my page if I want. If you want to leave it, you can leave it. But next, I have to quote this. Then click on posts. So I'll just go ahead and verify. That's done. So I can just delete the tweet if I want, because it's actually getting engagement. Okay, so delete. So for this, I can also try to verify, and this is done too. And reply. Just reply with anything. And click on like also. Okay, so I'll just wait for these few seconds for this to go through, and then I can claim all of that. Okay, so let me verify this since I've completed it. So I've completed all of the social tax right here. You can see I've gotten all of these points. I think this one just came up now. Follow them. So I'm just going to follow them right away. And also wait for 1 minute to verify that. So I didn't do these ones. Well, this is basically it. Then get points by referring your friends. So this is all of it about Soso Value airdrop. Alright, so the next is public AI airdrop. Now these guys raised $2 million, and here's the step to do their airdrop. So first, you're also going to click on the link which I'm going to leave in the description. So next, you're going to click on login with X, and then you're going to click on authorize. Okay, so we just close this right here. Okay, so that's done. Next is to click on this X right here. So these are some of the tasks you need to do. So let's start with this one, bind email. I'm going to click on connect, put in your email right here. Okay, so you're going to click on submit, and you have to get the code for this email. Okay, so that's done. Next is I'm going to leave Telegram. Let me do other ones first of all. So bind Soul. So I'm going to click on connect. Choose your Soul wallet. For me, I'm going to do Phantom. So I just click on Phantom. So you should have your wallet already by now. So click on connect and click on bind. Click on confirm. All right. So that has been successful. All right. So next is bind BNB. Let's do BNB right now. I'm going to click on it. Click on switch to BNB chain. And I'm just going to choose BNB Smart Chain. Select MetaMask. Click on connect. Click on approve. Okay, so click on sign and bind. Click on confirm. All right, so that's also successful. I'm going to do that for everything right here. Follow our X. So you just follow them. As easy as ABCD. Join their Discord, join that Telegram group. I believe these are things you can actually do by yourself. All right, so once you're done with all of these missions right here, I believe you can do it by yourself. Next thing you're going to do is to install their extension. So the extension is called Public AI Data Hunt. I'm going to leave the link in the description. Make sure you're doing this on either Mrs. browser or Kiwi browser to enable you add to Chrome. Or if you're using your laptop, you can actually add to Chrome just like I'm doing. Right, but if you're using your phone, Mrs. browser and Q browser will do the job for you. So next, I'm going to click on add to Chrome, click on add extension. So that has been done. So I'll just go and pin it right now. All right, so next I'm going to open it up. Okay, so you click on connect account, and you can see your account has been connected, and this way you would start earning points from this particular platform. Make sure you're leaving this opened for you to actually get points from this. So you can only share a referral link to people, and then you can click on dashboard to see your total points you've gotten so far. So you can see all of those points over here, but you can see right now I don't have any points so far. So once you're done with that, that is all of the steps for public AI airdrop. So the next airdrop is HyperSpace airdrop. Go to this website, which I'm also going to leave in the description. So once the page opens up, first thing you're going to do is to download app. So I'm going to click on download app. Then select the system you're using. For me, I'm using Mac, so I'm just going to install App Silicon. So if you're using Windows, you select it right here. I think there's an option for different type of Windows. You can see it right here, but I think this is the normal one. Depending, actually, I don't know what Windows is, and if you're using Linux, install this. So I'm just gonna save this. Then you can open it up and click on open. Okay, so click on get started, click on next, and then click on finish. So once you've downloaded it and installed the app, so go back, and I'm going to close this, and now you see this thing automatically toggled on by itself. Let me toggle it off, and let me show you. Just if it did not toggle on by itself, just click on it and it would toggle on by itself automatically, which would start letting you to end point. So you can see it's showing connected right now. Before it was showing disconnected. So next, this is my public key. Now you need to import your private key, and nobody has to see this particular private key right here. So to do that, just click on import private key. Click on copy current private key. Then I think you're going to paste it here, and then click on import. So right now I have my private key, but I have to back up that private key very well. So for here, you get rewarded based on how long you stay online. So if you don't stay online that much, if you want to check your point, first of all, just click on point right here, and it shows you I have 2 multiplier, and now it's showing 1 multiplier, uptime 1 hours. So you can see right here, points are calculated based on your nodes uptime. So you need to stay offline or online. Your PC has to stay online and all of that for you to get points. This one, there's no referral in this, so you basically can't multiply your referral by share. You basically can't get much points. The only way to get a lot of points is by actually staying online, and then that is how you get to make lots of points for this. So this is basically all of it about the HyperSpace airdrop. I will also say you should follow them on their Twitter to find out more details about them. So this is it about HyperSpace airdrop, guys. Right, so we've come to the end of this video, but this is not all of the airdrops Wilson actually mentioned. So what I'm going to do is to post another airdrop video, which is going to contain some of the other airdrops Wilson actually mentioned in this video, which I wasn't able to cover in this particular video. So what you're going to do is make sure to like this video right now and subscribe to this channel to get notified when that new airdrop video goes live. Or you can actually check out my page and check out the recent videos I posted about airdrops, and that will be a list of some of the airdrops Wilson actually mentioned. And guys, I really hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to this channel, and check out my next video. Bye for now.